going. This is the Tiller Money tutorial for 2025. As you can see, we're on the tillerhq.com. And if I click on try Tiller free, it's going to ask for me that to sign up. So we're going to click on that, and you can just click on start your free trial to get started with it. I'm just going to do continue with Google and then select my Google account. It's as simple as that. And then press on continue. Once loaded up, you can see they say creating account and it's loading. And then you have to put in your paying details. Even though it won't charge you immediately, you have a 30-day charge. But there are many things that you can do with Tiller, and there are divisions when it comes to it. For example, you can get a spreadsheet like this. Templates like this are easily available once you sign up. You can see that they are categorized like auto and gas, cell phone, rent, things like that. And what group do they fall in? Are they all expense? Is any one of them transfer, income, things like that? And what is the actual amount? And what is the budget you have? Things like that. And it does calculate all of that for you. Even you can see that they help you get, charts if you need a pie chart or you need a data table bar or this graph that has dot points of how much inflow versus outflow you get. You can get all these types of things. And there's also a website that lets you go through all of these. So let us know which one in specific you need help with. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.